short kwento lang. Kasi po, 2 Sundays ago, they made me the speaker at the university graduation in UP Diliman. Medyo big deal mo kasi yun. So ikina-stress ko, and I had to think about what I will tell the students, the graduates. And I told them, you have, kasi binalik ko dun sa concept ng loob at kapwa. Binalik ko ng Cardinal Tagle kanina. Sa definition ko natin sa Tagalog, yung loob and kapwa are one and the same. You don't say maganda ang loob mo kung hindi ka naman mabuti sa iyong kapwa. Iba sa Western concept. Yung Western concept, yung sense of self mo is your own. Sa ating po mga Pilipino, magkadugtong. So I was building on that. I was telling the students, you have to learn how to deal with other people. Don't stick to your own circles and your own silos and listen to your own echo chambers. Matuto tayo makisalamuha, makipagkapwa. Kasi they're part of who we are. Parang sa UP, funded mo ng